Let's dive in the world of animals. Before starting this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Without wasting any time, let's begin. The world of animals. There are different types of animals around us. Some are big like elephant and kangaroo. Some are small like squirrel and rabbit. Some are very small like ant, spiders and butterflies. Animals are classified under different categories. Let us read about them in detail. Let's start the kinds of animal. Domestic animals. Animals that are tamed for work or to get food are called domestic animals like cow, dog, goat, etc. They are kept in houses or on the farms. Examples of domestic animals are cow, dog, and goat. Animals that are kept on farm are called farm animals like hen, sheep, horse, etc. They help us in different ways. Some farm animals like cow, hens, goats gives us milk, egg and meat. The examples of farm animals is goat, buffalo and hen. Some farm animals work for us. They are called beasts of burden like donkey, ox, horse, etc. They carry our loads, plow our fields and pull the carts. The examples of it is donkey, oxen and horse. Animals that are kept inside our homes are called pet animals like dog, cat, rabbit, parrot, etc. We should take care of our pets. For example, dog, cat, rabbit and parrot. Pet animals are not harmful because they can be tamed. Let's move to the wild animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals like tiger, deer, kangaroo and zebra. We can also see them in the zoo. The examples of wild animals are lion, deer, kangaroo and zebra. Another example of animals is bird. Most of the birds can fly with the help of wings like parakeet, kingfisher, robin, myna, etc. Birds have wings, tail, claws and beak. Their body is covered with feathers. They live on trees and build nests. All birds lay eggs. Some birds cannot fly like penguin, ostrich, emu, kiwi, etc. They can only walk and run. Some birds can swim on the surface of water like duck and swan. They swim with the help of their webbed feet. Another example of animals is insects. Insects are small animals. They have 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings. Wings help them to fly like butterfly, grasshopper, housefly, mosquito are some examples of insects. Now let's move to the water animals. Some animals live in water like whale, octopus, seahorse, dolphin, etc. They are called water animals or aquatic animals. For example, whale, octopus, seahorse and dolphin. Some animals live in water as well as on land. They are called amphibians like frog and turtle. Let's do a small activity to clear your concepts. Tick the correct option. Animals that are kept on farm are called A. Wild animals, B. Pet animals and C. Farm animals. The answer is farm animals. Dash gives us milk. A. Cow, B. Horses, C. Elephant. The answer is A. Cows. The answer is A. Cows. B. Animals that live in forest are called A. Domestic animals, B. Pet animals, C. Wild animals. The answer is C. Wild animals. The answer is C. Wild animals. All dash lay eggs. A. Animals, B. Birds, C. Goats. The answer is B. Birds. The answer is B. Birds. Penguin and ostrich can A. Fly, B. Walk, C. Creep. The answer is B, walk.